Hey guys, I just wanted to point something out to you real quick about the animation. So if it's not looping, here's what actually happens to your animation. When it stops, he just stops like that, and look at that, he's running. Now I could hit the G key and that snaps him back to regular like run mode, but there's a couple other solutions that I could do as well. So I just want to really show you that quickly. Let's hit escape. I could go to his blueprint and I could loop it. I could click on looping. Okay, or if I didn't want to loop it, if I only wanted it to play once, what I could do was find out how long that animation is. So I double clicked and opened up the hip hop dancing animation, and right down here it tells me that it's about 12 seconds long. With knowing that, I could go back to his blueprint, I could drag off of here and put on a delay. Okay, so I'm going to say delay. Okay, after it plays the animation, I want to delay for about 12 seconds. And then what I want to do you know what you're going to do? Yeah, that's right. We're going to set animation mode. And we're going to set that to, here, let's move this up here. We're just going to set that to use blueprint. Okay, so now after it's done playing, it'll just go back to the regular old animation mode, regular old like running around and jumping and stuff. So now if I hit play and he's falling, and I'm just going to make him dance. Here we go. Am I in there? Okay, G. We're going to make him dance. And now with that in there, he should actually, when he stops, he should go right back to regular old animation mode, and I should be able to run normally. So after 12 seconds, there we go, and look at that. Okay, so it's up to you how you want to handle that. You can either use looping, you can just leave it how it is and hit the G key to get out of it, or you can set a delay afterwards for the amount of time that the animation is, and then set it back to a regular animation mode. Okay, just a little tip. All right, I'll see you guys later.